Nagbabawa Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Manyaman PH for sending us their products. Actually, available po sila sa kanilang fan page, which is Manyaman PH, as well as sa Shopee. Shelf life nila is up until 4 months. They can actually be shipped nationwide sa Pilipinas, or you can actually bring them as a pasalubong. Babalik kayo sa abroad. If you have your family there or you wanna bring this, pwede nyo po silang madala. Pagdating nyo doon, it's ready to eat. Now, speaking of ready to eat, guys, I'm ready. So I have my rice. Medyo special yung rice natin dito. They have 3 variants as of now, and then the latest is actually yung Sisig. Ito yung pinakabago nila, Sisig. So let me taste the first one, which is yung Kilayin. Kapampangan! So actually, Kilayin is a Kapampangan delicacy or dish, which includes yung mga laman loob. For those of you who doesn't know, a little bit sour, a little bit salty, medyo peppery, medyo oily actually. That's actually what makes it really napakasarap. Anyway, so let's taste it. Oh wow! Kilayin Kapampangan. Next to taste for me is yung Asadung Matwa, pork asado. In Kapampangan, Matwa means mga old, meaning ang pagkakaluto nito is yung classic, the old way, the old Kapampangan classic way. Asadung Matwa. Next. Wow, the meat is so tender. I'm really surprised. It's very tender. Para siyang pinakuluan ng napakatagal. When you chew it, it's easily broken apart. Para siyang ganun. When we talk about Asadung Matwa in Pampanga, some would really like it a little bit sour. This one, sourness level, para sa akin, it's around 4 or 5. Now, next is yung kanilang Pulutuk, commonly known as pork boppies. Para sa akin, yung original Kapampangan na Pulutuk, a little bit different sa boppies. But this is their version, their own version. When you cook kasi yung Pulutuk, you want it parang as dry as possible. Now, yung oil nun, kapag nauubos na, para siyang pumuputok, kaya Pulutuk. Right? Oh, wow! Pinaka main component ng Pulutuk, laman loob. And then at the same time, this one has carrots, has bell pepper. So, the moment of truth, ito sabi nila sa atin, hindi pa talaga nila nare-release ito as of, shooting this video. This is it. There you go. So, it still has that parang smoky feeling or smoky aftertaste. Hinahatid sa'yo yung sisig. Meron pa siyang smoke effect, parang ganun. So, that's what you actually can get it. And nga guys, paubos na yung rice ko. And if you are to ask me, among the 4, which are you gonna try first? Para sa akin, you go for this one. Asadung Matwa. Sobrang nalinis ko yung plato ko dahil nag-enjoy ako guys. So again, thank you so much Manyaman PH for sending us your products. Again, if you're interested to bring this home, you gotta go to Shopee. Dahil doon po sila available for order and delivery. And if you wanna start your own business, a little side hustle, ganyan, so they are open po for distributors or resellers. Fan page po is gonna be included dun sa post ng video na to. There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Thank you so much Manyaman PH for sending us your product. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.